I'm still taking the 600 gold.
What?
You didn't tell me you could breathe fire.
Oh.
Metal. That's 2 out of 3? What?
Nothing.
It's okay. You're safe. We're home.
Home? This is the part where you run.
Rhinoceros?
What is happening? Are you gonna be okay?
You did that on purpose.
We were built to fall apart, then fall back together.
Something, something, something. Do the right thing.
Who is she? What is she? Trust me. Arrest them. You want to know who the kid is?
Oh, I like where this is going.
You want to show him?
I'd love to.
Let's break stuff. I can't wait for the kingdom to see this.
Is my acne okay? I was a little worried my last 2 other times.
What's the matter? Lives flashing before your eyes.
It's time to rewrite this story.
This is gonna be fun.